Hey G Squad, welcome back to sort of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool right here, and basically what this is a humidifier, or you could also use it as diffuser as well. If you see the way how they designed this one, definitely looks very cool. It has this very nice and cool colorful flame design when you guys do use it. So whether if you guys want to use it as diffuser or humidifier, that is totally up to you guys. But this is what the package looks like when you guys do get it. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So this is what the inside looks like when you guys do take it out. But let's take it out to show you guys what's included inside. So inside they do provide you guys a user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. And right here they do provide you guys the cable for us to use to recharge the product, which is USB to USB-C. And last but not least, we do have the product. So let's do take it out. Once you guys do take it out, this is what the product looks like. So in the front part right here, we do have this very nice design, and we do have the button for us to turn it on and turn it off. Top part right here is where the mist is coming out when you guys do use it. That part right here is where you guys want to plug in cable to recharge it. And on the bottom right here, they do have the non-slip material to prevent it from moving around when you guys do use it. And right here, they do show you guys a tip or caution option right here in terms of how to use it. But if you guys do open up, this is what the inside looks like. So inside right here, they do have the LED light that will turn on when you guys do use it. And right here, I'm assuming is where you guys want to pour the water, so that can go down right here. And when you guys do fill the water inside right here, you don't want to go above this part right here, because that is where it's going to produce the mist out, from what I understand. But you see the capacity that's inside right here is not too big. It's like a very small humidifier that you use probably as a personal humidifier option and use right into your desk or your bed, which is pretty cool. And if you guys do need to pour out the water, just pour out really easy, either side. As long as the water does not go inside right here, then you should be fine. But that is everything that's on the product. What I'm doing right now is to plug it in to show you guys what it actually looks like when you guys do use it before I should add the water in. So right here I do have a cable. If you guys do plug it in, once you guys plug it in, if you see the top right here, the light does turn on. If you guys want to change it, feel free to press on this button right here to change it. So obviously it doesn't look as cool right now, but when you guys do it in a dark setting, it looks a lot cooler. And if you guys care about what each different button is for, one is for the color of the light for right here, and the other right here is where you guys to turn on the misting option. And when you guys do look at the side right here, they show you guys how much water is in add. So you guys want to fill up this line and no more. But in turn the color on here, there's a lot of different options. There's either a single option for the single color, or you can use like an RGB option as well, which is pretty cool, where it changes by itself. And if you guys do close it up, this is what it looks like. So I'm assuming when the flame or the mist comes out right here, it'll look like a flame, and you can see the color that comes out. So one right now is to add some water inside and show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so I just add the water inside. Let's turn it on and see what it looks like when we do use it. So turn on the light first. So we do have the light on, and you see right here on the side. Or you can also look on top part right here, you can see. But we have to turn on the misting option. We have to give it a few seconds to kind of like start loading up. If you guys look carefully on here, you can definitely see the mist coming out. It's probably not as noticeable compared to when you guys do use in a dark setting. If I do press it again, it turns off. So it looks like there's only one setting for the misting option when you guys do use it. So right now you can definitely see a little bit of the smoke or the mist that's coming out, but not a lot. Because it's probably going to take some time for it to start building up. But as you guys see more and more of the mist coming out, it definitely looks very cool. And you do get that like smoky kind of look to it, which is pretty awesome. So right now there's definitely a lot more mist coming out when you guys do look at it, but it doesn't look as cool compared to using it in a darker setting. So I'm going to bring this over to the darker setting to show you guys what it looks like, and then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so right here we do have the product. You can see we do have it on. So this is what it looks like in a bright setting. So it kind of looks like that flame design you can see. And then feel free to change the color on here like I mentioned. So let's press on this button. It changes that color. If you guys press on it again, there's a bunch of different patterns on here for you to change. Some of them are just one light, and some of them automatically change it for you, you can see. So it definitely looks very cool, you can see. But if you guys do turn off the light, this actually looks like in a dark setting. So you can see it actually looks very cool, especially in a dark setting, compared to a bright setting where you guys can't really see it. So once you guys are done using it, press the button, turn it off. And press on it again, turn it back on. Change the different color options on here. Or turn it off. So very easy and very simple to use it. Welcome back guys. So nice little quick test of product. You can definitely see it actually does work and it works quite well. And you see how it should look so much cooler in a dark setting compared to a bright setting when we do use it right here. So if you guys want to use this like a decoration to use maybe in your living room or your kitchen or anywhere to kind of give you guys that flame design or flame look to it, but also give you guys that humidifier option, then it is pretty cool and see. And the other thing about this product, like I mentioned, also works as a diffuser. So if you guys want to add like essential oil on here to give you guys that fresh scent, maybe for like a spa or whatever, you also have the option available. But that is everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. If you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys in the market looking for a high quality humidifier that also works as a diffuser as well, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else actually you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.